people. It's Tuesday, 28th October. Today, our focus is Proverbs 28, verse 1, a very popular verse of scripture. The New King James Version reads, "The wicked flee when no one pursues, but the righteous are as bold as a lion." Then the MSG reads, "The wicked are edgy with guilt, ready to run off even when no one is after them." Said honest people are relaxed, confident, bold as a lion. Yes, yes, yes. Boldness is one characteristic that will stand you out in today's world. Boldness and confidence are just two string words together. Build your boldness. It starts from keeping the promises you made to yourself. Set small goals. Practice good, positive affirmations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 29.